You know that inside PowerPoint, you have an option to add Claude add-in. Today, I want to give it 3 challenges. Since you need to have at least a paid pro subscription for Claude to be able to use this add-in, I wanted to compare it with Copilot so we know whether it is worth upgrading to Claude Pro to work better inside PowerPoint. So first, let us see what the 3 challenges are, and then let us compare Claude with Copilot in these 3 challenges. The first challenge is this. I have bullet point list which shows the performance of 6 months. I want Claude to make a column chart out of this. Second, I have these 3 photos which are of different dimensions. I've also created a custom layout with 3 square photo placeholders with the corresponding caption. I want Claude to pick up that specific layout, crop these photos into a square shape, and when I write the 3 captions for these photos, Claude should match the captions with the photo by looking at the photo and write the captions appropriately. And third, I've got this paragraph of text. I want Claude to break this down into 5 bullet points and write speaker notes to explain each of the bullet points. Let us see how well Claude add-in does this, and let us see if it does it better than Copilot. First, let us convert this into a column chart. I am Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. We help you present your ideas better. Let us go to the Claude add-in. By the way, if you don't know how to add Claude add-in after you've got your Pro subscription, it is very simple. You go to the Home tab, go to add-in and click here, and then search for Claude by Anthropic. You will be able to find the add-in. Just click on it and say add, and it will be added. It's that simple. Once you have it available, let us use it. All you need to do is to just click on it and then give your instruction here in the new chat. Convert the bullet points that you see on the slide into a column chart. Make sure that all the columns are of the same color. Highlight the performance of March with red colored column. As you could see, I just spoke to Claude and the Claude is doing its thing. And Claude came up with this dialog box. It said permission required. Claude wants to remove bullet list placeholder. There is no point in having this bullet list placeholder. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to allow it just once and let it continue the job. The one thing that I found both with Claude and Copilot is whenever they are working inside PowerPoint, they take a lot of time to perform their task. In general, I've seen that Claude works slightly faster than Copilot. But the good thing here is you can do your other tasks while letting Claude do its thing, and you will be able to see that the final result is just the way you wanted it. You can see that the slide looks really beautiful. As requested, all the columns are of the same color and March is highlighted differently with red color. My slide is ready for making the presentation. Now, I asked Copilot to do the exact same task with the exact same prompt, and the result was this. Actually, I prefer this result over the one that is produced by Claude. The reason is, as you can see here, we have the data labels here for each of the columns, and Claude produced the same thing as well. When you have data labels here, there is no need for you to have a vertical axis, and therefore it could have been easily removed. Copilot thought like me, and as you can see here, it doesn't have a vertical column, so it has applied proper logic and gave me a very good result. So I'm quite happy with the result of Copilot. But the only thing is Copilot had taken so much time to do just this one task, almost like some 8 to 9 minutes. And it reasoned it in 21 steps. So I think it is a little bit of an overkill for a simple task like this. And these are the times that I really wonder whether it is even worth using AI for doing some task as simple as this. But then anyway, for this round, I would say Copilot has done well in terms of the final output. But in terms of the time it has taken, Claude has done a much better job. Let us go to the second task. Let me speak to Claude again and instruct it. You can see there is this option here called mic. You can click to dictate. I've got 3 pictures here. There is a custom layout called 3 photos and caption. First, I want you to pick up that layout and then insert these 3 pictures inside the layout. And I'm going to give you 3 captions. First one is Sarah. Second is new book. And third is vacation. I want you to use these 3 captions and match the captions with the photos properly, and then complete the slide layout. So as you can see, there were a lot of hesitations when I spoke to Claude, but that is completely okay because it is not possible for anyone to have a proper coherent prompt in the mind while interacting with AI. And the AI should be intelligent enough to understand your ideas and then execute it exactly the way you want it. Now I'm going to say enter and let us see if Claude does this job well. Now, while this is doing its thing, let me go to Copilot and let me show you what exactly was the result. First and foremost, Copilot was not able to do the task at all. It gave up right up front. When I tried to insert the pictures using the custom layout, I got this result. As you can see, these pictures are still not cropped into a square shape. In fact, the dimensions are all over the place. I am not really happy with this result. So in this case, we are going to compare Claude's performance with the work of a human being. So that way we know whether it is worth working with Claude or to do these things yourself. And it has done the job beautifully, and it is even verifying the result, and it is done. Now, when I go to slideshow, this is how the slide looks. Isn't that beautiful? The photos and the caption match absolutely perfectly. The pictures are cropped in exactly the square format. And if I were to compare it with even my own performance, you can see that the layout is alright. And definitely for this round, Claude has won hands down. It has even performed better than a human being. Now let us go to the third one. Let me give the prompt. On the slide, you see a block of text. I want you to break that down into 5 short bullet points. And I want you to add speaker notes to explain each of the bullet points. And I want you to place the speaker notes in the notes area of this slide. Now the job is done. We can see that there are bullet points here on the slide. Let us see if we have the notes available. I'm just going to extend this. Yeah, we have the notes for each of them very beautifully written here, the first bullet point and the corresponding notes. So Claude has done a good job here. Let us see what Copilot had done for this. This is the result by Copilot. I can see that the font size is slightly bigger than the font size for the previous one. As you can see here, the font size here is way smaller. Yes, the notes are written. The notes generated by Claude and Copilot are comparable. As always, Copilot had taken far more time to create this. Now, before I tell you which one has performed better, whether it is Claude or Copilot, I wanted to give you this free custom GPT that I had created for you called Slidify This. Let me copy the exact text that I had used for this particular test, and I'm going to paste it over here and say enter, and that's it. And in just a matter of seconds, you get this result. If you had to create a slide from a paragraph like this, you just copy the paragraph and hit enter, and that's it. You get a slide headline. You can see it is an action title. Then you get 5 bullet points. You can see how precise these bullet points are. There is no extra text, no extra fluff. And then you get a 1-line core message of this entire slide. And then the speaking cues for each of the bullet points. And then you get the suggested visual for this. I just copied this prompt and went to Gemini and asked it to visualize it, and I got this result. It looks fairly accurate. It is definitely usable on your slide. And if you own our comprehensive all-in-one PowerPoint bundle, then you know exactly where to look for the specific template to visualize this particular information. So that is the power of this free custom GPT called Slidify This. You don't need any paid subscription for ChatGPT to use this custom GPT. The link to this is available in the description box below. Please click and sign up. Now coming to the verdict, for the first test, Copilot had won compared to Claude. For the second test, Claude had won. And for the third test, Copilot had won. And considering that Microsoft's Copilot comes along with your Microsoft 365 subscription, and that Claude needs to have a separate paid subscription to get this add-in to work, I would say for this particular test, definitely Microsoft Copilot is a very usable option. So if you're going to upgrade your Claude subscription only so you can use it for your PowerPoint presentation, I would say it may not be such a great decision at this point. But as a staunch Claude Pro user, I can tell you that Claude Pro by itself has tremendous amount of value to offer. So for other reasons, Claude Pro is definitely a good option.